Hello friends. Now, you are watching Dharmraj Creation channel. We'll tell in this video. 1. Why is caustic used in CIP of MEE plant? 2. Why is nitric acid used in CIP of MEE plant? If you get knowledge from this video, then like this video and share with your friends. Why is caustic used in CIP of MEE plant? The use of caustic, sodium hydroxide, in the clean in place, CIP, process of a multiple effect evaporation, MEE, plant serves several important purposes related to cleaning and sanitation. Caustic is a strong base with excellent cleaning properties, making it a commonly used cleaning agent in various industrial applications, including MEE plants. Here are some reasons why caustic is used in MEE CIP. 1. Organic deposit removal. In MEE plants, organic deposits such as sugars, proteins, and other organic compounds can build up on the heat transfer surfaces and other equipment. Caustic is effective at breaking down and removing these organic deposits, helping to improve the overall efficiency of the evaporation process. 2. Oil and grease removal. Caustic solutions are also effective at removing oil and grease residues from the equipment. In some industrial processes that involve the evaporation of organic substances, oil and grease can be present, and caustic helps to clean these contaminants. 3. Alkaline cleaning. Caustic solutions provide alkaline cleaning, which is particularly effective for removing stubborn residues that may be resistant to acid-based cleaning agents. The alkaline nature of caustic helps to emulsify fats and oils, making them easier to remove from surfaces. 4. Saponification. In some cases, caustic can facilitate the saponification of fatty acids present in organic residues. This process converts fatty acids into soap, which is more easily dispersed and washed away during the cleaning process. 5. pH adjustment. Caustic can be used to adjust the pH of the cleaning solution during CIP. Maintaining the appropriate pH range is crucial for optimizing the cleaning process and ensuring that the cleaning agents work effectively. As with any cleaning agent, the use of caustic in the CIP process should be done with caution, following safety guidelines and proper handling procedures. It is essential to consider the specific equipment, residues, and cleaning requirements of the MEE plant before determining the appropriate concentration and application of caustic in the CIP process. Overall, caustic is a versatile and effective cleaning agent that plays a vital role in maintaining the cleanliness and efficiency of the multiple effect evaporation process in industrial settings. Why is nitric acid used in CIP of MEE plant? The use of nitric acid, hydrogen nitrate, in the clean in place, CIP, process of a multiple effect evaporation, MEE, plant serves several purposes, primarily related to cleaning and sanitation. Nitric acid is a strong acid with powerful oxidizing properties, making it effective for certain cleaning applications in industrial settings. Here are some reasons why nitric acid might be used in MEE CIP. 1. Removal of inorganic deposits. In MEE plants, mineral scales and inorganic deposits can build up on the heat transfer surfaces of the evaporator units. Nitric acid is effective at dissolving and removing these deposits, such as calcium carbonate, calcium sulfate, and other metal oxides. 2. Passivation of stainless steel. MEE plants often use stainless steel components in their construction. Nitric acid is sometimes used to passivate the stainless steel surfaces, creating a protective oxide layer that enhances corrosion resistance and reduces the risk of contamination. 3. Sanitization. Nitric acid is also known for its antimicrobial properties. During the CIP process, it can help in sanitizing the equipment by effectively killing bacteria, algae, and other microorganisms that might be present in the system. 4. pH adjustment. Nitric acid can be used to adjust the pH of the cleaning solution during CIP. Maintaining the appropriate pH range is crucial for effective cleaning and to ensure that the cleaning agents work optimally. It's important to note that while nitric acid has benefits in certain cleaning applications, it is a strong acid and should be handled with care. Proper safety protocols, including the use of protective equipment and adherence to handling guidelines, are essential to ensure safe and effective use of nitric acid during CIP. As always, the specific use of nitric acid in the CIP process of a particular MEE plant would depend on factors such as the type of equipment, the nature of deposits, and the overall cleaning requirements. Before using any chemical, it is vital to consult with experts, follow manufacturer guidelines, and adhere to local safety regulations. In short, the combination of alkaline and acidic chemicals in the CIP process provides a comprehensive cleaning approach. Alkaline chemicals effectively address organic deposits and help with the removal of fats and oils, while acidic chemicals target inorganic scales and mineral deposits. By using both types of chemicals in a controlled and systematic manner, the CIP process can efficiently clean and sanitize the MEE plant, ensuring its optimal performance and preventing operational issues caused by fouling and contamination. As with any cleaning process, it's essential to follow industry best practices, safety guidelines, and equipment manufacturers' recommendations when using alkaline and acidic chemicals in the CIP process of a multiple effect evaporation plant.